Hey Songbird! Hey, I want you to think back to a recent gig that you did and how you felt just before the show. Did you feel like there were some songs with those high money notes that you just felt like, oh, I really hope my voice does what I want it to do? And perhaps you were really afraid that you might crack and embarrass yourself? You know what, if you've ever felt that way, you're definitely not alone. It is the story of every singer that I've ever worked with. It's also been my story as well. So today, I'm gonna give you 3 simple steps to help you get out on stage, hit those high money notes with confidence, and not be afraid that you're gonna crack. Let's get right in. So the first thing we need to stop doing is to stop over-exaggerating the chest voice. So stop trying to be powerful or trying to be overly bassy or chesty. You know, so instead of singing like this, the Arizona sky burning in your eyes. You know, that's really over-exaggerated, right? Instead, just lighten off, chill out, relax, sing more like you. The Arizona sky burning in your eyes. The second thing is that we need to sing more like we speak. And especially in those high notes, we want to sing more like we're just calling out to someone. So something like this. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Or taxi, taxi. Or damn cat, damn cat. And the third thing is to lift the back of your tongue higher to touch the roof of your mouth. A really great way to be able to train your tongue to do that is to sing yee yee, like this. Yee yee. Why don't you try with me? Yee yee, yee yee, yee yee. Amazing! Hey Songbird, I've actually got one more incredibly magical exercise that you're absolutely gonna love. It's going to help you hit those high money notes without the fear of cracking, you know, on a whole nother level, okay? And guess what? You can get it for free. Just click on the link below and download it right now. Now Songbird, if you loved this, please do give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. And of course, record yourself singing these exercises and don't forget to tag me on Instagram @KerriHoCoach. I would love to see how you're getting on with these exercises. And Songbird, don't forget, I am always believing in you. Taxi! Taxi! Oh no.